In this video, we're going to be looking at some speed, distance, and time word problems. So, first, before we get started, what is speed? Well, speed is how far you travel in a certain amount of time, and it's calculated using this formula, speed equals distance divided by time. You can also see it written like this. We call the result the average speed. There's also a triangle used to organize the formula to help you solve for other parts besides speed. So, for example, you cover up what you're looking for. So maybe you're looking for speed. You cover up speed. This means that you're going to calculate speed by distance divided by time. So this line represents a division symbol. All right, what if you wanted to calculate distance? So you'd cover up distance. And now, to find distance, it would be speed multiplied by time. And last but not least, time. If you were solving for how long it takes an object to complete its journey, you're going to cover up time, and then it's going to be distance divided by the speed. Okay, so let's get started. A train travels 120 miles in 2 hours. What is the average speed? So we're looking for speed here. So because we're looking for speed, we're going to cover up our speed. And that means we're going to be solving for distance divided by time. So speed equals distance divided by time. Yep. So whenever we plug in, our distance was 120 miles. So here is our distance. And our time was 2 hours. So distance divided by time. We're going to get that the speed was 60. And the units for that is going to be miles per hour. You must give units, so the units are represented by miles per hour, mph. All right, let's look at another one. A runner's average speed is 8 meters per second. How far does he run in 25 seconds? So we're looking for how far. That means we're going to be looking for distance. So we cover up distance. So that means that to find distance, we're going to multiply speed times time, just like the triangle says. So we're going to plug in our speed was 8 and our time was 25 seconds. 8 times 25 is 200, and again we're measuring distance, so it's going to be in meters because originally we had meters per second. Again, units are a must. So because speed was in meters per second, the distance is in meters. All right, next one. A car leaves town, travels 150 kilometers. So 150 kilometers would be a distance to the next town over at an average speed of 60 kilometers per hour. So this is our speed component. How long did the journey take? So we're looking for how long. That means we're looking for a time component. We're going to cover up time. That means that to find time, we have to do distance divided by speed. So our distance was 150, our speed was 60 kilometers per hour. So once we do 150 divided by 60, we'll get 2.5. All right, our units for that is going to be hours because the speed was in kilometers per hour. So it's in hours. All right, a car travels 40 kilometers. So 40 kilometers would be a distance. In 20 hours. 20 hours would be a time. What is the average speed in kilometers per hour? Well, we're looking for speed, so we're going to cover up speed in our triangle. That means that to find speed, we have to do distance divided by time. So once we do distance of 40 divided by a time of 20, we should get 2 kilometers per hour. All right, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave a comment.